So let's do a tax and discount video tutorial. And these types of problems are pretty good for practicing your percents, decimals, and fractions all at once. So we may see more of these videos. Now in this problem, you walk into a candy store and see that your favorite chocolate bar is on sale at 35% off. If the original price is $3.50 and the sales tax is 12%, what's the final price you must pay to get this chocolate bar? So let's start by highlighting or underlining the important information in this paragraph. We know that there's a candy bar you want to buy and its original price is $3.50. We know that it's on sale, and that means we're going to be saving money. How much? We're going to be saving 35% off of the original price. And finally, there's a tax of 12%, which is extra money you have to pay, 12% more than the original price. So 12% of the original price is extra. With that said, let's begin by finding out how much the chocolate bar is after discount. And the reason we want to do that is because our final price, let me just write down in English the formula we're going to be following. The final price is equal to original minus discount plus tax, like this. So let's minimize this, push this off to the side, so shrink it. And let's push this off to the side, put it over here. And let's start solving this. I'm going to choose a dark green color to solve with, and we have the original price is $3.50, and the discount that I'm saving, so money not spent, is equal to 35% of my original price, $3.50. Now we know that of means times. Let's write that down. Of means times. So what I'm doing is 35% times $3.50. But 35%, we said that percents and fractions are the same thing. Well, 35% is 35 out of 100. So I'm multiplying that to $3.50. Now, $3.50, I can write that as 3.50 over 1. Now, technically, this is not the way we express fractions, but it's never wrong to write over 1 because when you divide by, because this means division, and when you divide by 1, you're not really changing anything. But what this does is it helps us solve the problem just a little bit easier because you can now multiply what looks like two fractions, top with top, bottom with bottom. And let's take out our calculator. Let's go get our calculator. And 35 times 3.5 equals, let's try that again, 35 times 3.5 equals 122.5. 122.5. So this is 122.5 over 100 times 1 is 100. And now dividing by 100 is very easy. All we have to do is take this decimal point and move it to the left twice because there's two zeros. So 1, 2. And so the final answer is going to be 1.225. And so what this means is I'm saving approximately $1.22, but because there's a 5 here, this last over here, this is the pennies, it has to go up, so this is really approximately $1.23. I'm saving, I'm not spending $1.23. So let's take this, let's shrink it, move it aside, and find out what the price is now that I'm not spending this money. So $3.50 minus $1.23 because I'm not spending that. So 0 minus 3 can't. I have to borrow. 10 minus 3, that's 7. 4 minus 2, that's 2. 0.3 minus 1 is 2. I'm only spending $2.27 on my favorite chocolate bar. But there's a tax, which means I have to add 12% of this money to itself. So let's find out what 12% of 227 is. Well, that's 12 out of 100. 12 out of 100 times 2.27 over 1. Again, top with top, bottom with bottom, because when I multiply fractions, that's how it is. I multiply the top with the top and the bottoms with the bottoms. And now with our calculator, 12 times 2.27, well, that gives 27.24 over 100 times 1, that's 100. Again, I'm dividing by 100, so the decimal point moves over twice, and that gives me 0.2724. Now, this is the pennies over here. 0.27 is 27 cents. This over here is a 2, so I don't need to round up, and so I'm going to leave this at approximately 0.27 cents. So my tax, extra money, the extra money I have to spend is 27 cents. Let's shrink this, move it aside. Shrink this, move it aside. And now let's write down the final price. Final price. This is $2.27 plus my tax of 27 cents, which is 7714. Carry the 1, 5. $2.54 is my final price I have to pay.